When you search for intraoral cameras, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Impressive Smile Camera Sleeves. We have the Impressive Smile Intraoral Dental Camera Sleeve Sheath Covers, priced at $65.99. What caught my attention was the sheer quantity, 500 pieces. If you want reliable hygiene for your camera, this is worth a serious look. These sleeves are made from high-quality, tear-resistant plastic that protects your intraoral camera from scratches and saliva. This is crucial because a damaged camera can lead to poor imaging and unnecessary costs. Plus, the clear side ensures that you maintain the best image quality possible while still providing a hygienic barrier. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They make your practice safer and cleaner, which should be a top priority for any dental provider. Now, some people complained about the fit on certain models. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard intraoral camera, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. They are designed to fit most cameras with heads less than 50 millimeters, which covers a lot of common makes. This is perfect for you if you run a dental clinic and need to maintain hygiene standards. Skip this one if you prefer reusable covers or have a camera with a larger head. For the price and quantity, it offers solid value. Now, if the disposable nature of the Impressive Smile Sleeves isn't your style, the next product on our list may change your mind about functionality.
Product number 2, Prodent Intraoral Camera PD740. At $219, it's positioned as a reliable option for those needing compatibility with popular software like EagleSoft and Dexys. If you want seamless software integration, this is worth a serious look. This camera boasts a 720p resolution, which is decent for capturing clear images. The automatic focus and exposure features mean you don't have to fiddle with settings mid-procedure, which is a lifesaver when time is of the essence. It even has a quick connect-disconnect feature that makes setup a breeze. Here's why this matters for you. You can focus on your patient rather than worrying about your tech. However, some reviews pointed out that the image quality isn't as sharp as higher-end models. But honestly, if you're running a busy practice where ease of use is key, this camera still holds its ground. The price reflects its balance between function and reliability, making it a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you need a user-friendly camera that integrates well with existing software. Skip this one if you're looking for the highest image quality possible. For what it offers, it's a good value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize image detail.
Product number 3, Dareyu DY60 Dental Camera. We have the Dareyu DY60 Dental Camera, priced at $329.99. This one really caught my eye because of its 720p HD resolution and the 4x zoom feature. If you want super clear images for detailed examinations, this is worth a serious look. The Dareyu camera is compatible with numerous imaging software, which is great if you switch platforms. Its zoom function allows you to get up close on specific areas, making it easier to identify issues that might go unnoticed. This is essential when you're dealing with intricate dental work. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Better imaging translates to better diagnostics. That said, some users mentioned that the camera can be a bit bulky to handle during procedures. Now, if you're used to lighter models, this might feel cumbersome at first, but the clarity it provides is often worth the adjustment period. This is perfect for you if you're focused on delivering precise dental assessments. Skip this one if you prefer a more lightweight option. Given the features, it offers solid value for the investment. Now, if the bulkiness of the Dareyu DY60 isn't appealing, the next camera might suit you better with a more streamlined design.
Product number 4, Hal Nike 13MP USB Dental Camera. We have the Hal Nike 13MP USB Dental Camera, which comes in at $119.99. I was really impressed by its high-resolution imaging capabilities. If you want crystal clear images for your dental practice, this is worth a serious look. The 13-megapixel sensor is a standout feature, allowing you to capture detailed images that help in accurate examinations and documentation. Plus, it's plug-and-play, meaning you can just connect it via USB and start using it right away without complicated setups. This makes it ideal for both clinics and mobile setups. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Easy operation means less downtime. However, a few users reported that the image quality can diminish in low light conditions. Here's the thing though, using it in well-lit environments will yield stellar results, and most dental procedures are conducted under good lighting.
This is perfect for you if you want high-quality images without a steep learning curve. Skip this one if low-light performance is a deal breaker for you. For the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something even more affordable, the next product is an interesting option.
Product number 5, Generic HD Intraoral Camera. We have the Generic HD Intraoral Camera, priced at just $50. This one caught my attention because of its budget-friendly price. If you want an entry-level camera for basic needs, this is worth a serious look. Despite being less expensive, it still delivers 1080p resolution, which is decent for general examinations. It offers both automatic and manual shooting modes, giving you some flexibility in capturing images. For a practice just starting out, this could be a good way to keep costs down while still providing quality service. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows you to maintain service quality without breaking the bank. Now, some reviewers noted that it lacks some advanced features found in pricier models, but let's be real. If you're looking for a no-frills option that gets the job done, this could be a great choice. This is perfect for you if you're just getting started and want a reliable camera without a huge investment. Skip this one if you need advanced imaging features. For the price, it's a great value for those on a budget.
So, to quickly recap, we started with the impressive smile sleeves for hygiene, then moved to the Prodent camera for ease of use, followed by the Dareyu DY60 for detailed imaging. Next up was the Hal Nike for its high resolution at a decent price, and finally, the budget-friendly generic camera for those just starting out. Each camera has its strengths, so consider what matters most for your practice.